Charles. I'm 54 years old. I'm 6'1" when I'm fully assembled and weigh about 230 pounds. What I'm going to talk about today is taking the big dumpster. Actually, this is the smaller of my dumpsters. It's a recycle bin that picks up every couple of weeks. It's time to take it down to the road so I can pick it up in the morning. Okie dokie. The way I manage this from my wheelchair is, well, you can see that I am above the knee amputation on this side, below the knee on this side. So it can be done with when you got real feet and still in a wheelchair, but this is what I do. First of all, right now I do not have my brakes on. Oh, and I have a deceptively steep driveway here, and I'm not rolling down. So I'm using the heel of my shoe blocked up against the wheel as a brake, and it's something I do a lot on slopes because I do not trust my brakes to keep me safe. All right, and so what I've done is I brought the trash can down this far. It's opening in this direction where like that, the handle that you normally push it with is back here. So basically coming down, I'll just drag it down behind me like this. And I'm using my foot here to hold myself up. I'm controlling my direction with one hand on the push rim over here, controlling my direction. Of course, gravity is making it easy for me to come down the driveway, and I'm basically just dragging the trash can down here behind me. So I end up getting all the way down here and just basically have to muscle it around. Point it in the right direction. All right, now, of course, I won't be doing this today, but tomorrow afternoon, after they've come to pick up this recycle bin, it'll be empty. I need to take it back and put it back where it goes. This is the way I manage to going back uphill. Once again, I am staying still on the slope of my driveway, using my heel against the front caster of the wheelchair to keep me from rolling down. And what I do, I'm kind of fortunate when it comes to this because I've got some big old long arms, so I can make a little bit better stretch than a lot of people do. But I'll just take it like this, pull it up a few feet. I'll roll myself back, block that wheel again with my foot so I won't roll. Pull it up a couple of feet. Block that wheel again and just pull it up some more. That is actually, I'll do that all the way up the driveway. It looks like it's slow and painful, but it's really not that big of a deal after I kind of figured out how I wanted to do it. So that's pretty much it.